In Formula One, chemistry between a driver and race engineer is as critical as the car's setup. When communication falters even by milliseconds, it can ripple into mistrust, misjudgments, and lost podiums. But what happens when whispers begin to suggest that one of the most iconic partnerships in recent history might be quietly rekindled on enemy turf? Since joining Ferrari, Lewis Hamilton's transition has been under a global microscope, and while his performances behind the wheel have remained composed, what's not being said over the radio has made just as many headlines as his lap times. Most recently, during the Monaco Grand Prix, Hamilton's seemingly cold exchange with his current engineer Riccardo Adami sparked another round of uncomfortable questions. The seven-time world champion radioed in to ask, "Is he mad at me or something?" and received nothing in return. Hamilton was quick to brush off the incident, calling the situation nonsense and doubling down on his claim that there's no rift between him and Adami. "We're still learning each other's styles. There's no bad blood," he stated earlier this week. Yet, despite his public reassurances, internal rumours suggest Maranello may be quietly weighing its options. According to the Daily Mail, Ferrari is considering a seismic move behind the scenes, replacing Riccardo Adami with none other than Peter Bonington, Lewis Hamilton's longtime race engineer from Mercedes. Known affectionately as Bono, Bonington played a key role in Hamilton's 6 world titles with the Silver Arrows, creating one of the most successful driver-engineer pairings in F1 history. However, luring Bonington away from Brackley may be easier said than done. The report notes that while Ferrari sees him as the ideal candidate, there's little indication that Bono is looking to jump ship. Still, the very idea that Ferrari would entertain such a move raises fascinating questions about their long-term vision and how much autonomy Hamilton might be granted in shaping his support team. Could this be a preemptive step by Ferrari to smooth the road ahead for their new star? Or is it simply media fuel poured over the usual paddock fire? Either way, it adds another layer of intrigue to Hamilton's first year in red, and fans are watching every move. What's your take? Should Ferrari make the bold play to reunite Hamilton with Bonington, or stick with Adami and allow the relationship to evolve naturally? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you love inside scoops like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more breaking F1 insights.